Hello guys, today I discuss combinations of maritime law, maritime like algots admittedly actions are frequently brought in person against individual or corporate defense. Only the most deceptive future or admittedly practice is the prodding in RAM against maritime property that is a vessel, a crew or flight which in shipping means the combinations of to which crane is indebted for the crane of cargo under American maritime law. The ship is proficient to the extent that it may sometimes be held responsible under cements in which the shipper himself is under to liability. The classic example of professional prevention in the compulsory logate case, some state status interest apparently on a shipper whose vessel fails to take a period when ending and leaving the waters of the state. Since the politage in this completely the pilots in negligence in is not important to the ship winner. Nevertheless, the vessel is charged with the boiled food and is metally impressed with an insured maritime line that is inflexible in core. Maritime line can crash not only when the personified ship on crate with a maritime tour was a niggle collision or personal injury but also be civil service for general average constituents and for bids of screen maritime contracts. In prodding in rim, the wheels care of fighting can be aggressed and keep in the custody of the court even to owner obtains its rights by posting a bond of such other security as may be required under the applicable law or may be extendable to the plaintiff more frequently law where the owner will post security avoid the intended